Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel where I like to post my own lyre covers as well as tips and tricks to play the chromatic lyre. I've noticed there isn't much information out there about this type of lyre, which I think is a huge pity, because in my experience it's a really lovely and versatile instrument. Hopefully my videos might inspire others to give the chromatic lyre a try as well. For now, here are my 5 basic tips to get started with the chromatic lyre. On the chromatic lyre, we don't pluck, we glide. To do this effectively, start with your finger on the string you want to activate, glide over it from right to left, and land on the string next to it. We don't use our thumbs. Instead, use your 4 fingers on each hand to activate the strings. The strings of the chromatic lyre are placed similarly to the keys of a piano. The strings in the back represent the black keys, and the strings in the front represent the white keys. The only difference is that while notes are played from left to right on a piano, they are placed from right to left on the lyre, with the higher notes being closest to your body. Your left hand has access to the sharps and flats, so the black keys in the piano example, as well as the E's and the B's. Do not try to play the other strings with your left hand. For each key you play in, try to balance your right and left hand placement so you are playing 2 to 3 notes of the scale with your left hand and the rest of the notes with your right hand. For example, when playing in C, we will use our left hand to play the E's and B's. When playing in D, our left hand will play the F sharps and the C sharps. Experiment with scales. With the different scales, try placing your hands in a way where you start the scale on your right pinky finger and end on your right index finger. Let's play a C scale first, and then a D scale. I hope these tips were helpful, and I'm wishing you lots of fun with the chromatic lyre. If you have any other questions you'd like me to answer, let me know in the comments. And please click the subscribe button in case you'd like to support me.